with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. I did it before, and you know me, I said to myself, I have another way which I can share with the fans. And you know, it's coming up to Christmas and a lot of people doing different kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Earlier, I cut up some potato, sweet potato, into some chips, way. But as you can see, this is it right here. All I did is just simple cut it up, and I just rub up a little bit of parsley on it. So basically, all I can do is just go to any local shop and buy some sweet potato. This is the sweet potato from Brazil, and that's the way all they look. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you a little secret where you can do at home. I did a video like this before. You on the YouTube channel of sweet potato chips inside of the oven, but look at this one which I'm gonna do now to show you something, guys. It's just amazing when you know certain things and you can share with the fans then. So basically, as you can see, I have the sweet potato, just put it in my tray. Basically what I'm gonna simply do is put a little bit of olive oil on top of it, just like this. Alright, I just put a little bit of parsley on it earlier. So next, what we're gonna simply do is a thing like this, is put some honey. This is what I'm talking about. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna call this sweet potato honey roast chips in the oven, guys. Amazing. Nice and lovely. Give it a little spin. Get all of the chips with the honey. Preheat your oven first. After you preheat your oven, put it on a high temperature, and we're gonna roast them off in the oven for roughly 30 minutes. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much. So as you can see, honey roasted sweet potato chips. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, I just take them from the oven, looking so lovely and nice. But as you can see, you can share this with anything you like. Honey, sweet potato chips in the oven. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.